Kevin with Chicago Heating Repair. I got a call here in Lakeview and for rooftop unit residential, R410A unit, rooftop unit, and found the air filters completely clogged. So pulled those, reset the unit, pulled the disconnect, reset, started up just fine. Looking at our pressures, R410A, which they look pretty good right now. It's probably 98 degrees up in this roof, so it's pretty darn close. And we need to do a subcooling measurement and a TD. And just let this thing run a little bit, see if it needs anything else. It was just simply the filters. Call Kevin at Chicago Heating Repair, 773-330-3680.